Hi students, today we are going to see assumption trigonometric identities, right? Already last 3 class we have discussed nearly 15 sums, right? Nearly we have discussed 15 sums. Still we are going to practice more number of sums, right? Now only we are coming sum number 5, right? In this concept alone I have chosen nearly 20 sums, right? In each sum we are having more than two or three subdivisions, right? So we are going to discuss nearly 60 to 70 sums from this concept alone. Why I am giving this more importance for particularly importance for this concept means, and this is very important concept, surely we can expect a 3 mark or 4 mark, right? 3 mark or 4 mark for our public exam, right? That's why. So we have to practice more number of sums. That 70 is not at all enough, right? They will ask you, see, we can, in this concept we can create a infinite number of sums, right? Infinite number of sums we can create, right? That many number of sums we are having, right? So I ask you to practice more number of sums, right? Please practice more number of sums. We have to solve more number of sums, then only it will be very easy, right? Sum number 5, prove that subdivision number 1, 1 plus tan square alpha plus 1 plus 1 by tan square alpha is equal to 1 by sin square alpha minus sin power 4 alpha, right? So we have, see the LHS, we are having 4 terms, right? But they itself, they have put up brackets, right? In RHS we are having only one term, right? It is in the form of fraction. So better we can take the LHS and we'll try to bring the RHS, right? Better we can take the LHS and we can bring the RHS. In RHS, see that in the numerator we are having only one, and denominator is nothing but in terms of sign, right? In terms of sign. So better we can see here in the LHS we are having in terms of tan, right? So better we can convert this tan alpha in terms of sin cos, right? In terms of sin cos. First you can take the LHS. LHS is equal to 1 plus tan square alpha into plus, right? Plus 1 plus 1 by tan square alpha, right? 1 plus 1 by tan square alpha, right? So see that first I am just converting this 1 by tan square alpha. So already we know that the reciprocal of tan square alpha is equal to what is it? Cot square alpha, right? 1 by tan square alpha is nothing but cot square alpha. So first I am going to convert in terms of what is it? 1 by 10 in terms of cot, right? Then I'm going to convert in terms of sin cos. Why I am just converting in terms of sin cos? Because the RHS, it is in the form of sin, right? Sin theta, sin alpha, right? So that's why, right? So if we are converting in terms of sin and cos, right, then the cos we can convert in terms of sin, right? Cos square alpha is something but 1 minus sin square alpha, right? So 1 plus tan square alpha, right, plus 1 plus 1 by tan square is nothing but cot square alpha, right? 1 by tan square is nothing but cot square alpha. So 1 plus cot square alpha, right? Cot square alpha. Now I am going to convert this tan square and cot square in terms of sin cos. Why? Because the RHS is nothing but in terms of sin. That's why. So 1 plus, what is the tan square alpha? We know that the tan square alpha is equal to, right? Tan alpha is nothing but tan alpha is equal to tan alpha. Tan square alpha is equal to sin square alpha divided by cos square alpha, right? Next, cot square alpha is nothing but cos square alpha divided by sin square alpha, right? We know that. So substitute instead of tan square alpha, what I am going to substitute? Sin square by cos square alpha. Instead of cot, cos square by sin square alpha. So it is equal to 1 plus sin square alpha divided by cos square alpha, closing the bracket, plus next 1 plus cos square alpha divided by sin square alpha. Cos square alpha divided by sin square alpha, right? Now you can do the cross multiply. So cos square alpha plus sin square alpha divided by cos square alpha, right? Close the bracket. Next plus, same thing, do the cross multiply. Sin square into 1, sin square alpha plus cos square alpha divided by sin square alpha, right? Sin square alpha, close the bracket, and see the numerator how it will be, cos square alpha plus sin square alpha. Here sin square alpha plus cos square alpha. Already we know that trigonometric identities, sin square alpha plus cos square alpha. What is it? Sin square alpha plus cos square alpha is equal to 1. So instead of that sin square alpha plus cos square alpha, right, so let's substitute 1. Here also the sin square alpha plus cos square alpha. So instead of that I am going to substitute, right? So 1 by cos square alpha plus 1 by sin square alpha, right? So here sin square alpha plus cos square alpha is nothing but 1. Here cos square alpha plus sin square alpha is nothing but 1. So 1 by cos square alpha plus 1 by sin square alpha. Once again, how it will be? We have reduced, right? We have simplified in terms of what is it? 1 by cos square alpha plus 1 by sin square alpha. Now what we want to do that? Just do the cross multiplication. So what is it? See, taking the LCM, right? Sin square alpha into 1 sin square alpha plus cos square alpha into 1 cos square alpha divided by cos square alpha into sin square alpha, right? Sin square alpha. Already we know that sin square alpha plus cos square alpha is equal to 1. So it is equal to 1 divided by cos square alpha into sin square alpha, right? Cos square alpha divided by sin square alpha. See what we want to prove, that RHS 1 divided by sin square alpha minus sin power 4 alpha. But see the numerator we got 1 and denominator alone we are very closer, right? Cos square alpha into sin square alpha. See what we want to prove that sin square alpha into sin power 4 alpha, right? In terms of sin, here cos into sin. So I'm just going to remove this cos square alpha in terms of sin square alpha. So cos square alpha is equal to, what is cos square alpha? 1 minus sin square alpha. So instead of cos square alpha, what I'm going to substitute? 1 minus sin square alpha. It is equal to 1 divided by 1 minus sin square alpha into sin square alpha, right? Just multiply inside. So sin square, so 1 divided by 1 into sin square alpha minus sin square alpha into sin square alpha sin power 4 alpha is equal to RHS. Hence it is. Second subdivision, cos square theta minus 1 into cot square theta plus 1 is equal to 0, right? So we have to take the LHS and we have to prove that when we are simplifying, we want to get it is equal to 0, right? RHS is nothing but is equal to 0, right? So we have to take the LHS, right? LHS. See while we are seeing that LHS, right? So how we are going to simplify? By seeing the question itself, we have to come to the conclusion how we are going to simplify. See that square, right? So square identities are applicable, right? Square identities are applicable, right? So which identity, square identity, right? Which trigonometric identity will be applicable, right? So just substitute and simplify, we'll get the solution, right? So taking the LHS is equal to cos square theta minus 1 into, nothing simple is there, into cot square theta plus 1, right? Plus 1, right? So cos square theta minus 1. See the identity, trigonometric identities. Already we know that, right? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, right? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Here what is that? Cos square theta minus 1, right? So see that cos square theta minus 1. So sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So suppose if here 1 minus cos square theta is there, then we can substitute sin square theta. But what we are having? Cos square theta minus 1 is there, right? Cos square theta minus 1 is there. So cos square theta minus 1 is nothing but minus sin square theta, right? Minus sin square. Just multiply by minus, right? Just multiply by minus on both sides. So sin square theta into minus sin square theta, right? Minus into plus, minus 1, minus into minus plus cos square theta. So cos square theta minus 1 is equal to minus sin square theta. See if the places are changed, right? The symbol, right? Plus will become minus. So already we know that 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta. Cos square theta minus 1 is equal, right? Cos square theta minus 1 is equal to sin square theta. Cos square theta minus 1 is equal to sin square theta. So instead of this cos square theta minus 1, so I substitute sin square theta minus sin square theta. So minus sin square theta into, already we know that cot square theta plus 1 is equal to, what is it? Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1, right? Why I am taking that cot square theta to the RHS, then it will become cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. So we know the formula 1 plus cot square theta is equal to, right? 1 plus cot square theta or cot square theta plus 1. 1 plus cot square theta is equal to, what is it? Cosec square theta. So instead of this, what I am going to substitute? Cosec square theta, right? Cosec square theta plus 1, right? Then is it any possible to simplify? Is it any possible to simplify? I have converted, see, two terms. I have converted in terms of single term, right? Cosec square theta plus 1. 2 terms I have converted in terms of 1 term, right? Cosec square theta. Still, is it any possible to simplify? You have to analyze how we are going to simplify. See, sin square theta, cosec theta. Cosec theta we can convert in terms of sin theta. cosec theta is nothing but reciprocal of sin theta, right? Cosec theta is equal to, what is it? We know that cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. Sin theta is equal to 1 by cosec theta, right? 1 by cosec theta. Whether you can convert the sine in terms of cosec, or you can convert this cosec in terms of sine, right? Any one. Then it will get cancelled, right? Numerator and denominator, it will become a fraction type. Then it will get, we will get a cancel, right? So I'm just going to convert this cosec square theta in terms of sin theta, right? So you can write minus sin square theta as it is into, what is cosec theta? 1 by sin theta. Cosec square theta 1 by sin square theta, right? 1 by sin square theta plus 1. The sin square theta will get cancelled. So minus 1 into 1, minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. Is equal to RHS. Hence it is. Subdivision number 3. Tan square A minus tan square B is equal to, prove that tan square A minus tan square B is equal to sin square A minus sin square B divided by cos square A into cos square B. Cos square A into cos square B. And this model sums somewhat important, right? All are important, right? And this sum is nothing but somewhat different, right? What is the different? What different you are seeing this sum? A very simple, see, always we will, while we are up to that sum number 5, second subdivision, right? We are having only that theta, right? Theta or A means if all the angle will be A alone, right? If the angle, suppose alpha means all the angle will be alpha. Beta means all will be beta. But here see that A and B, double variables are there, right? A and B. Here tan square A and here minus tan square B, separate, right? So different, and this is different and this is different, right? So this model sum somewhat important, right? Somewhat important, and be conscious while you are solving, right? So tan A means we have to convert tan A in terms of sin cos or sec or cosec or whatever it may be, right? We have to convert in terms of that A alone. If it is B, right, tan B means we have to convert in terms of B only. Tan B is converted in terms of cot B, or tan B is equal to 1 by cot B, or tan B is equal to sin B by cos B. Likewise only we have to write, right? That's very important. So okay, I'm just taking the LHS. See, LHS we are having two terms. RHS we are having only one term. It is in the form of fraction, right? So better you can take the LHS and we will try to bring the RHS. That is only very easy also. See, tan square A, tan square B, square identity, and see the RHS how it will be. It is in the form of sine, right? Sine and cos, right? Sine and cos. So very simple. Just convert this tan in terms of sine cos and simplify. Directly we'll get the RHS, right? So just take the LHS. What is the LHS? Tan square A minus tan square B, right? We know that tan A is equal to, in terms of sin cos, we know that tan A is equal to, what is it? Sin A divided by cos A. Sin A divided by cos A. And tan B is equal to, tan theta is nothing but sin theta by cos theta. Instead of theta, what is there? B, right? So simple. Sin B divided by cos B, right? Sin B divided by cos B. But here tan square A, tan square B. So tan square A equal to sin square A divided by cos square A. Tan square B equal to sin square B divided by cos square B, right? So instead of tan square A, what I'm going to write? Sin square A divided by cos square A, minus tan square B is something but sin square B divided by cos square B, right? Cos square B. See that what we want to, both are in terms of fraction. So do the cross multiply. So cos square, sin square A into cos square B, right? Sin square A into cos square B minus cos square A into sin square B. Cos square A into sin square B divided by cos square A into cos square B. Cos square A into cos square B. Now see the RHS how it will be. We got the denominator alone, right? We are very closer, right? The denominator, we got the denominator. Cos square A divided by, see, cos square A into cos square B. Denominator we got it. But in the numerator how it will be? Sin square A minus sin square B. But how it will be? It is nothing but somewhat different, right? So see that in the numerator how it will be. What are the things are there in the numerator? Sin alone. Sin square A, sin square B. In the numerator, while we are solving the numerator, what we are having? Sin square A, cos square B, cos square A, sin square B. So this cos square B and cos square A is extra. So now we want to eliminate this cos square A in terms of sin, right? In terms of sin. So what I am going to do means I am going to convert this cos in terms of sin. So we know that right? We know that, what we know that cos square b is equal to 1 minus sin square b. So instead of cos square b, what I am going to substitute? 1 minus sin square b. Why I am just converting? Because see the numerator RHS, see there is no cos. So how we are going to eliminate? Just converting in terms of sin, right? Next cos square a, right? I am just going to convert this cos square a in terms of sin. So cos square a is equal to 1 minus sin square a. So instead of cos square b, what I am going to substitute? 1 minus sin square b. Instead of cos square a, what I am going to substitute? 1 minus sin square a, right? So it is equal to sin square a into bracket, what is cos square b? 1 minus sin square b minus cos square a is equal to 1 minus sin square a into sin square b divided by cos square a into cos square b, right? Now just multiply. While we are multiplying, it will get simplified. That's why we are multiplying, right? I told you that if you are simplifying, right? If you are multiplying, it should want to be simplified. Then only we want to multiply. Otherwise, we have to keep as it is, right? Now I am going to multiply sin square a into 1 sin square a, right? Sin square a into 1 sin square a minus sin square a into sin square b, sin square a into sin square b, right? Next minus 1 into sin square b, right? Minus 1 into sin square b minus sin square b, minus into minus plus sin square a into sin square b plus sin square a into sin square b whole divided by, right, cos square a into cos square b, right? Any like terms are there for simplification? See, minus sin square a sin square b plus sin square a sin square b will get cancelled. So what is the remaining? Sin square a minus sin square b divided by cos square a into cos square b is equal to RHS. Hence it is. Understood? What are your homework sums? So number 6, prove the following identities, right? Prove the following identities. Subdivision number 1, sin a minus sin b divided by cos a plus cos b plus cos a minus cos b divided by sin a plus sin b is equal to 0. So how it will be this? We are having two terms, both are in terms of fraction. So better we can do the cross multiply. So sin a minus sin b into sin a plus sin b. While we are multiplying, what will get? Sin yes, a plus b into a minus b is nothing but a square minus b square. That identity will applicable. So sin square a minus sin square b, right? Plus cos square a minus cos square b. While we are simplifying, right? While we are simplifying, then everything will get cancelled, right? Everything will, we can change in that sign in terms of cos and cos in terms of sin, and while we are simplifying, we'll get 0. 0 by something will get, right? Second subdivision, sec power 4 theta minus tan power 4 theta is equal to 1 plus 2 tan square theta, right? Sec power 4 theta minus tan power 4 theta. Already yesterday itself, last class itself we have discussed, right? Sec power 4 theta is something but what is it? How it will be? The power 4 means how we will write? A power 4, how we will write? A power 4 is nothing but a square the whole square. Likewise we will write, right? So that means how sec square theta the whole square minus tan square theta the whole square, right? How it will be? What formula? A square minus b square. It is equal to a plus b into a minus b. That is sec square theta minus tan square theta into sec square theta plus tan square theta, right? Already we know the identity. Just apply the identity. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So we will get in terms of sec square theta plus tan square theta. See what is the RHS we are having? 1 plus 2 tan square theta we have to prove, right? So convert that sec square theta in terms of tan square and simplify, will get the RHS, right? Today only we are having these two sums alone homework, and daily I am saying that daily, right? Daily you can solve all the sums without seeing, right? Without seeing the classwork or without copying, right? You just try by yourself whether you are solving correctly or not, right? You have to check whether how is your analytical skill, right? Check. If it is not so, while we are solving, right, continuously if you are practicing, you will get it, right? Thank you.